1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 326 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front. Original cameo white, or cameo ivory car, I should say. White vinyl top that is power, functions as it should. We're going to check that out at the end of the video. 252 trim, red interior too. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. Over 100 pictures of this car online. Riding on the Pontiac motor division. Rally style wheels. PHS documents also will come with this car. Going to the new owner. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see paint shows well on it. A few little touch-ups here and there. Notice there's one right here, but anything major I have not come across. Nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There's that red interior, bucket seats up front, tilt column. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also, see the chrome in the rear looks good. Nice parade boot or convertible top cover. Another thing to remember is we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Want somebody to take a peek at this car, can't make it yourself due to time or distance, that is not a problem. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. There'll be undersides, interior, trunk. Try to represent these cars as fairly as possible, obviously with all the pictures that are taken and the walk-around video like this. And then if you stick around to the very end of the video, we'll take this car for a ride, put a camera in it, show you how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride in it, if you will. See, carpeting looks good. Seats free of any major rips, tears, holes. Vinyl looks good. Up the door panels. Aftermarket stereo, that is working AM/FM cassette. It's fired up. It's a good sounding 326 in this. It's got a rumble to it. Dash looks good. Door closes and fits nicely. There we go, listen to that. Let's slip up to the front, pop this hood open, and we'll take a look at that engine bay. We'll look at the convertible top, and don't forget about that driving video. There, you can take a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is. 326 V8. Power steering. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Also, there is a disconnect in the battery over here in case you want to disconnect that in between drives or maybe for storage. Smooth runner, no doubt about that. Like I said, sounds good. Alright, let's go ahead and put this power top up. Check it out. See how it goes down the road. And here's the convertible top up. So white vinyl top. Looks like it's a newer top. Nice tight fit above the low windshield. One little wear area there. It's not really a hole. It's kind of a wear area, I guess, if anything. Nothing that's going to cause it not to function as it should. Rear window nice and clear. Passenger side also nice condition. So really free of any major wear at all. Need to keep your driver out of the sun. It's going to function as it should. 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. 507-386-1726. Number you can call. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1967 Pontiac Firebird. This is a convertible, and we do have a top up today. Beautiful car with white paint and a red interior. Strong running Firebird. Our speedometer is working. The fuel gauge is also working, showing half a tank. That is what we have for gauges in this car. We have a JVC radio on the dash. That is working well. So do the wipers and the blower motor on this car. Factory looking red vinyl bucket seats are comfortable in this car. Wind noise isn't too bad for a winter day in Minnesota, and a convertible top from 1967. Steering wheel is cocked to the left a little bit. That does not affect performance at all. If you let go of the wheel, this car stays right where you put it, right in the middle of the lane, so it does not pull either way. Our brakes are working well. Nice looking red carpet in this car, matches the interiors. Door panels and dash. Putting that throttle down, the kick down does work on the transmission, and you can feel the power. That is quite the iconic hood on the 1967 Firebird with the two simulated scoops. Very nice Firebird. Check out all the pictures or come take it for a drive in Mankato, Minnesota. See our website at UniqueClassicCars.com.